one.
Hey, you see the motor.
Oh,
See, no?
okay, yeah.
This motor problem.
Oh.
Immediately stop. Okay, the motor already changed. This one old one. You see, when I close the door, you are running. Now you see new one, very smooth. You see new one. This one stop first, because this one old one, new one smooth. Okay, so settle. So this fan control the freezer. This fan control the chiller. It will go down to below. Come down to below.